Welcome to Agently. We're so excited to help you create customized programs perfect for onboarding agents and supporting their ongoing development. Let's jump right in. All your onboarding and training programs live under the Training tab. Here, you'll find templates to get started in the draft section, or you can create your own courses from scratch. Everything in drafts is private, so your agents won't see it until you move it into a section. Let's start by looking at the templates. You'll find things like the onboarding checklist and agent essential skills training courses. Go ahead and open the onboarding checklist. You'll see multiple activities already created. To customize it, open each activity one by one, read what's inside, and adjust the information for your team. For example, the first activity is the welcome video from the CEO with instructions and suggested talking points included. Next, go through the entire checklist this way. Just open, review, and personalize each step. If you prefer to build your own course from scratch, here's how to do it. In the top right corner, click Add New Course. Give your course a name and a short description, then click Save. Your new course will appear under Training Drafts at the bottom of the page. Open your new course to adjust key settings. Set it as public, available to all agents, or private, restricted to only assigned agents. Define a completion timeframe. Add reminder messages to keep agents on track. Assign a next course to start automatically after completion. Optionally, enable email notifications to inform a point of contact when the course is completed. Next, let's add activities. Scroll down and click Add Another Activity, then select the type of activity. Upload a file, add a video, share a link, or create a quiz or questionnaire. Add a headline and description. You can include screenshots or other instructions as needed. Click Save when finished. If the activity isn't ready, leave the Finalize box unchecked. Once all activities are added, you can easily rearrange them. Drag the dots on the left to reorder. Also, use the three-dot menu on the right to clone or delete an activity. Now, let's organize your courses into sections. This helps group similar trainings together. For example, onboarding, sales training, marketing courses, etc. Click Add New Section in the top right corner, enter a section name, and if you'd like, restrict access to a specific group of agents. Otherwise, its content will be visible to everyone. Then click Save. You can now move your courses into those sections. Click the three dots next to a course, select Add to Section, and you're done. And that's it! You now know how to customize templates, create your own courses, and organize everything in the training area. Your agents will have a clear, structured, and engaging learning experience from day one. All documents from onboarding and training can be stored in the Resources tab, which acts as a central toolbox for your agents. Let's start by creating a section. Go to the Resources tab and click Add Section. Give your section a name, then choose who can see it, either all agents or a specific group. Once the section is created, you're ready to add content. To add files, contacts, or links, click the New button. First, select the section where this information should go. Then, add a name and description for the item. If you like, you can also upload an image for the file to make it easier to find. Once everything is uploaded, your agents will have easy access to all the tools and information they need in one organized location. If you have checklists that agents need to follow when working with a seller or a buyer, including steps and sub-steps, you can add them under Processes. This way, it acts like a mind map for agents. They don't need to memorize the process because everything is right there. Let's start by adding a new process. Click Add New Process and give it a name. Next, let's break the process into steps. To do this, you first need to create milestones, which act as the main steps for your agents. Click Add New Milestone and enter a name. Once your milestone is set, you can add steps, which serve as sub-steps within that milestone. Click Add New Step, then add a title and a description. In the description, provide a detailed step description for the agent. You can also attach videos, upload files, and create objection handling guides directly within each step. From the agent's perspective, all processes can be found under the Resources tab at the top of the page. Here, they can easily access step-by-step guides for workflows such as working with a buyer or working with a seller. Agents can select the process they need and tap to open it. Each process is organized into steps and sub-steps, and clicking on any of them reveals more detailed information. Events is your calendar, where you can add different types of meetings with descriptions, links, and automated, customizable notifications. Let's start by adding a new event. Click Add New Event. Give it a title and description. Next, you can add a link for the call or meeting and include the notification text that participants will receive. Set the date and time frame for the event and choose the correct time zone, as well as add team members who should be included. For notifications, you can select reminders to go out before the event and choose the notification channel that works best for your team. Once all the details are set, click Save, and your meeting will appear on the calendar. For agents, all scheduled events appear under the Today's Tasks tab, where they can easily manage their participation and access event details. To confirm attendance, they select Attending or Not Attending if they can't make it. To see more information, they choose Preview, which opens the event description, including the meeting link and any additional instructions. The Coaching tab focuses on action-based learning. You can create weekly goals for agents, include a description, and set the number of tasks they need to complete. Agents then log their progress in the app, specifying how much they've accomplished. Let's start by looking at the 30-day checklist template. You'll see multiple goals already created and divided into 4 weeks. To customize them, go to the bottom of each week and click on Edit. Here you can see each goal one by one, read what's inside, and adjust the information for your team. For example, the first goal is the welcome message. Beside the name of the goal, you will see different types of activities. If it's a video, please choose Training Video Watched. Always choose Create Custom Goal if the goal is absent from the list. Next to the goal list, you need to insert the quantity or how many times this activity needs to be completed. Below the name of the goal, you can add Assign dollar value to this activity. Under the dollar value, you can add your video or the link as well as the detailed description of the activity for the agent. Please go through the entire checklist this way. Just open, review, and personalize each step. From the agent's perspective, coaching appears on the main page under the Today's Tasks tab. Agents can view their assigned coaching activities for the week and mark each task as complete by selecting the checkbox next to it. Once all activities for the first week are finished, they can tap Week 1 is completed to move on to the next week. This process continues each week, helping agents track their progress and stay on top of their coaching goals. Now that you've completed this training, you know how to set up, customize, and use Agently to support your team's growth. Use our onboarding checklist or create your own and upload all relevant documents so agents have everything in one place. Build checklists for key workflows and set clear goals for the first 30, 60, and 90 days or daily productivity standards. And finally, if you're using Follow-Up Boss CRM, reach out to us and we'll help you integrate it. If not, you can still upload your agent closings using a CSV file. This step is important as the dashboard uses transaction data to automatically create 4 performance tiers, helping you track stats, assign focused training, and guide lower and mid-level agents to the next level.